Good day, my name is Cuisine-Vidal, a cruise line operation in culinary arts student, and now we're gonna demonstrate
The first
three
one is we're
different
gonna put
dishes
some
in
oil.
Asian cuisine.
Then we're gonna put the garlic. And then we will saute it properly. After the garlic and the ginger are being sauteed properly, we're gonna put the beef and stir it properly. After I put the beef short rib, we're gonna put the onion leeks. After we stir the beef short rib properly, we're gonna add some salt. After we put the salt, we're gonna put the coconut sugar. And after we put the coconut sugar, we're gonna put the coconut milk. While the coconut milk is boiling, we're gonna put the chili flakes. Then we'll put the curry leaves. After the curry leaves, we're gonna put the lemongrass. After the curry leaves, we're gonna put the turmeric powder. And now we're done. This is the beef rendang. We're gonna put the tamarind juice. the chili sauce. After we put the chili sauce, we're gonna put some fish sauce. And then we're gonna put some coconut sugar. And then we're gonna add some water so that the sauce will not be too thick. And then we're gonna add the rice noodles. And now we're gonna add the bean sprouts. And now we're gonna add the crushed peanuts. And now we're gonna marinate the chicken. We're gonna put the garlic paste, and then the ginger paste, and then the shrimp paste, and then some prune paste, and then we're gonna mix it properly. We're gonna add a little bit more so that the color will stick to the chicken. And now we're gonna put some spinach and banana leaves. And now we're gonna put the marinated chicken. After we put the chicken and the banana leaf, now we're gonna thicken the coconut milk. And now we're gonna put the coconut milk at the top of the marinated chicken, and now we're gonna put it in the steamer.